This 2021 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Wylie, Glacier Glazed Maple Cabinetry-MF interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, awning, stove top burner, TV antenna, slideout, auxiliary battery, self-contained, TV, external shower, skylight, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.